Using United Airlines travel credits can be a bit complex, but with this guide you will learn how to redeem them effectively. First, it is essential to understand what travel credits are. Travel credits are vouchers issued by United Airlines that can be used to purchase flights, upgrades, and other travel-related expenses. To use your travel credits, start by logging into your United Airlines account on their website. Once you are logged in, click on your profile name and select Account Activity. This will take you to a page where you can view all your available travel credits, including their expiration dates and values. Next, search for flights on the United Airlines website as you normally would. When you find a flight you want to book, proceed to the payment page. On the payment page, you will see an option to apply a travel credit. Click on this option and enter the travel credit voucher number. The value of the travel credit will be deducted from the total cost of your flight. If the travel credit covers the full cost of the flight, you will not need to pay anything. However, if the travel credit does not cover the full cost, you will need to pay the remaining balance using a credit or debit card. It is also important to note that travel credits can be used to book flights for anyone, not just the person who earned the credit. Additionally, travel credits can be used in combination with other discounts and promotions, but they cannot be combined with other travel credits. To get the most value out of your travel credits, it is best to use them to book expensive flights or to upgrade to a higher class of service. You can also use travel credits to book flights during peak travel periods when prices are typically higher. In summary, using United Airlines travel credits is a straightforward process that can help you save money on your flights. By following these steps and understanding the rules and restrictions, you can redeem your travel credits effectively and enjoy your next flight with United Airlines.